How to check watch history on Twitter. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can check watch history on Twitter. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Twitter in your device and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So once you're logged in, from your home page, navigate to top left corner, tap on your profile. Once you see this menu bar, tap on Settings and Support. Again, head over to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, tap on the first option that says Your Account. From here, now head over to third option that is Download an archive of your data. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your account password. After that, again, you have to verify that it's you. For that, you will receive an verification code sent in your Gmail that is linked with your Twitter account. So search in the inbox for the code. Then you have to enter the verification right under this text field. So once you're verified, tap on Request Archive. Now, once you request a zip file with archive of your account information that includes your account history, application and devices, your account activity, interest, and ads data. So you will receive the notifications in the application. So make sure that you check out for the notifications and when the archive of your data is ready to download, all you have to do is download the data and you will be able to view your watch history. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.